What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video we're gonna install some new headlight bulbs that we received from Super E. Let me show you guys how to install these. We're just gonna do a reviews on these guys to see how bright they are and all that, you know what I mean, because I get these one for free, sponsored, you know what I mean. So the links is gonna be in the description. You can always check it out. Just click the link. If you like these bulbs, guys, just click the link and just, you know what I mean. I know everybody is running LED headlight bulbs nowadays, you know what I mean. So yeah, let's jump straight to the video. Let me show you guys how to install this. Okay guys, so this is it. We get a little, I'll show you how it looks in here. This is the package here. Get a little book. You can always look in this if you want, but I'm going to show you how to install them. Okay guys, so the headlight bulb is behind here, this right here. Let's see if we can just turn it and take it out. And just turn it. That's it. Just take it out, guys. Try not make your hand touch like this part right here. Okay. Now we're gonna go ahead and put in the new one, guys. This is it. This is the one that we receive. I'm gonna go ahead and just install it. So just unplug it right here, squeeze this tab right here and pull this out. So I run into a little problem, guys. So this new bulb here, it cannot fit for the high beam, I mean for the low beam, you know what I mean. It can't, the plug is not fitting. It can't plug on there, you know. It's not going, it's not clicking in, you know what I mean. So something ain't right, but I tried it on the high beam side and it worked. Let me show you guys. So this is the high beam side. Let's go ahead and plug it into this. So I just slide it right in, guys, and it just lock right in. Super easy. I'm gonna have to check back the email if the guy them says for high beam. I don't remember. So this one is for the high beam side, guys. You know what I mean? Remember that. So if you need, I did really need to replace mine because this is my old one. This is the factory one. You know what I mean? I only did replace the other side, the low beam. That's the only one I did have LED for. So now, and this is that one that I used to have over here. But I'm gonna put it back because this one is for the high beam. You know what I mean? So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead now and just tuck it back in here and then turn it on. Okay guys, so I go up in the top right there is a fan, so it must be pointing up like that. You know what I mean, when you put it in. So now we have LED for the high beam and the low beam. Let's go ahead and turn them on and see what they look like. So that one is the old one, that's my old one for the low beam. Let's go ahead and turn on the high beam over here and see what it look like. So you see that, guys? Real bright. So both of them is, man, I can't look on it like I have to be looking on the camera. If I take my eyes off of the camera, it's like crazy bright, crazy bright, guys. It's daytime and you can see how it's shining on here. So yes guys, that's how you install those. Go ahead, check them out. I give them 10 out of 10, guys. Super bright, you know what I mean. So check them out. You can always go ahead and purchase it for yourself if you need some high beam LEDs, you know what I mean. Throw away these old ones. All right, so as you can see on this side, see the difference right here is just this one I have right here. So now we're gonna replace this one with the LED. So you're gonna look, both sides gonna look white and pretty like here. You know what I mean? Yeah. Okay guys, so that's it. Install both of them. Okay guys, so these bulbs I give them 10 out of 10, to be honest. I don't see nothing wrong with them. They're bright and pretty. White. You know, they have that white looking, and that's what I want. You know what I mean? I know at night they're just gonna be white and pretty with the fog lights and all that. You know what I mean? So check out these guys, give them a support. Like I said, I give them 10 out of 10. I don't find any problem with them. Pretty easy to install. Take me about 20 minutes to get them done, and I could move faster than that if I was hurrying to. You know what I mean? So thank you guys for watching, and see you guys in the next one. Peace.